Hey foodies! Today we are diving into the delicious world of foods that can help you manage weight gain effectively. Whether you are on a journey to shed a few pounds or just aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these white superfoods are here to rescue your taste buds and your waistline. First up, the superheroes of nutrition: leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula are not just low in calories but pack a punch when it comes to nutrition and fiber. These green powerhouses promote a feeling of fullness, support digestion, and are your allies in the battle against weight gain. Next on the menu, lean proteins: chicken breast, turkey, fish, tofu, lentils, and beans are your go-to source of protein. Why? Because protein not only makes you feel full, but it's also a muscle building champion. And guess what? Building muscles can give you metabolism a fantastic boost. Now let's talk about the king of carbs: whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, oats, and barley are not your average carbs. Packed with fiber, they are the secret weapon against overeating. These grains aid digestion and keep your appetite in check, making them essential for healthy weight management. Moving on to the delicious world of healthy fats: avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These sources of healthy fats are not only tasty but also provide essential fatty acids that support overall health. Plus, they help regulate your appetite and keep you feeling satisfied. Last but certainly not the least, the sweethearts of nature fruits: berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, along with fruits like apples, oranges, and pears are low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants. They are your guilt-free indulgence, satisfying sweet craving while contributing to a balanced diet for weight management.
It's not just about what you eat, it's how you eat. Practice portion control, embrace mindful eating, and let these nutrition dense food because your allies on your journey to a healthier you. If you enjoyed this culinary adventure, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tasty birds, and let us know your favorite superfood in the comment below. Until next time, happy and healthy you.